Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Again, not really sure what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other exclusive benefits, there's of course a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and make a quick, whoops, right into the cardboard there. Make a quick cut right there, and then I think probably, yeah, that's not tape. We'll just peel it open. What do we have here? Okay, well, I'm not expecting any Ritters. Oh, hang on. I know what this is. So this is somebody from there's a note. Somebody from my Discord. We've been talking about this for a while. Hey, MC, almost forgot to leave you a message. These scales are from Maui Koa. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. All handmade, no CNC or mill. Hope you dig them. And then it shows his Discord and his Instagram. So this is SuperK from my Discord, and I've very much enjoyed talking with him. He's been an awesome part of Discord. So you can see there, his Instagram is at on edge. And then what is this little symbol right here? I don't know. But there you go. Here's his Instagram right here. Give him a follow. I'm sorry, it's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. So, if any of you guys have ever heard, let me get my Shaman out here real quick. So I have a lot of times on this channel referred to the Shaman as the Striderco because it's very similar ergonomically to a Strider SNG. This guy has actually been outfitted with custom scales that make it exactly that. Strider. That is so cool. Hang on. Let me get my ProTech SNG out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Where is it? Oh, no. Wait, is it up here? Yeah, here it is. So my ProTech SNG has lines that are exactly the same as the SNG. So you can see here this hybridization, what has happened. This is really cool. Man, actually, okay, so as of this moment, I prefer the ergos on this to both of these. Now, what happens here is you end up with an enormous amount of handle. I mean, it's just a ridiculous amount of handle. I wonder what the thickness between the two is. There's no contouring. Boy, he did a good job with those. Those are nice. Okay, scale thickness. They're thicker than the standard Shaman scales. How about up against the ProTech? Now the ProTech, I don't know if it's quite as thick as the actual SNG because it's got a thinner blade stock. Perhaps it is because the SNG probably has thinner scales and a thicker blade stock. So yeah, boy, this is, wow, really nice. Look at that. That's fantastic. How are we on solidity here? Probably needs a little bit of a turn of the pivot, but no up and down. That's fine. And then the centering is just a little, that's what makes me think it's just a tad off, so maybe just a slight turn of the pivot will help that out. This is really cool. The scales actually cover up some of the the writing and stuff where it says Striderco and then the steel. This is a collector. Oh, this is a Rex 45 Shaman and a collector Shaman. That's what's indicated by that number up there. There's a Striderco collectors organization you can get involved with. I'll let you guys Google that. Yeah, this is really, really interesting. A nice way for me to revive the Shaman on this channel because we have not talked about it for a long time because I'm still waiting on Striderco and Flytanium to do the version of the knife and the scales that I want so I can bring it back. But this will be fun to talk about. I don't know that there's a whole lot of information out there on YouTube on these scales, and when I do the review, I'll provide the information for the scales. I would imagine there are a few different options for what the scales are made out of, but this is really cool. This is interesting what happened to the backspacer here, because the backspacer follows the lines of the original and the liner, so they don't come all the way up to the scales back here. This might be a situation where I wonder if the same gentleman is able to make custom backspacers that follow the lines of the scales. But in any case, This is interesting. I believe, by the way, the clip is an MXG deep carry clip. I've seen that on a few other Shamans, but yeah, it still leaves plenty of room, access to that that hole there, so that you can do the reverse flick. I'm doing that left-handed, by the way, to demonstrate how easy it is. And then your thumb flick still easy, your reverse flick still easy, and the Spidey drop still very, very easy. This is very, very interesting. Expect a video on this soon. I'll get you guys the information. If you'd like to shop the Striderco Shaman or Striderco knives in general, I will leave links down in the description so you can see what is available direct from Striderco at one of the various retailers that I use down there. So yeah, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. Very interesting. Thank you so much, SuperK, for sending the Shaman along here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all of my videos, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.